Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how I clean the cabinets in my home, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love springtime. I love that spring brings freshness to it, and I love to freshen everything up around my home. I am doing a little bit of spring cleaning each day. I'm going to share as much as I can with you in videos throughout the spring. Today I'm going to show you how I clean the cabinets in my bathrooms, my kitchen, and anywhere else where I have wood cabinets. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. And today, as my tiny tidy, I'm going to be cleaning the cabinets here in my bathroom. Before I show you the products, I want to thank the wonderful, talented, lovely Sunday Dawn for putting this playlist together week after week. And I also would like to thank the rest of the Tiny Tidy team for always working so diligently to get your videos out as well. I'm going to link Sunday Dawn's channel along with this week's playlist in my description box below. I will also list what I have that I use to clean my cabinets with. So let me show you guys what I use. The first thing I use is a bucket, and I will fill up a bucket with a gallon of warm water. I will add to that warm water 1/4 of a cup of the Murphy's Oil Soap or Wood Cleaner. And I'm going to use 3 old cloths that I no longer use. I'm going to use one to apply the Murphy's oil. I'm going to use the other just to rinse it off. And I'm going to use this one to dry my cabinets. Also, I will be wearing some gloves when I do this because I want to protect my manicure because, let's just be honest, I care about my nails. So let's get busy cleaning the cabinets in my bathroom. Starting in the kitchen to fill my bucket, I am adding 1/4 of a cup of Murphy's oil. I did not get it quite to the 1/4, so I do add in just a splash more in a minute, and I'm adding it into this bucket, and I'm going to fill it with warm, actually very hot water, and I need a gallon of the water. This bucket was inexpensive. I purchased it at Dollar General. It does measure in quarts. There are 4 quarts in a gallon, so I am filling this to the 4th line, and then I will be ready to carry it into my bathroom and start the project. You can probably see that I have some white spots running down my cabinet, so I'm going to make sure to clean those. I'm going to use the yellow cloth to actually clean with the Murphy's Oil water solution. I'm going to use a white smaller cloth to rinse it off with just regular water, and then I'm going to use a white larger towel to dry the surface, and I'm going to put on some music while I do this so that you guys can clean along with me. Or you're always more than welcome to watch if you want. you that I am so impressed with how this turned out. I don't know if you could see it or not. I'm hoping that you could, but there was like a stain right here and it just came right up. If you have a more stubborn stain, you might want to use an old toothbrush, but I think it just shines and it looks so much better. All for watching this week's Tiny Tidy. This to me exemplifies a tiny tidy. I only did a small portion of my home, some deep spring cleaning. I did just a small portion. It was not overwhelming. I did not feel anxious. I did not feel frustrated, but I got it done and it makes such a huge difference. So it's just a tiny little step, one little step in making a big difference. So I just want to encourage you to take a tiny step in cleaning or tidying something in your home today. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and this week's playlist listed in my description box below. I would love for you to become a member of my growing YouTube family. To do that, there's a subscribe button. If you click on that and make sure the notifications are turned on so that you do not miss anytime I upload a video. And I would love for you guys to like, comment, all the good things. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.